Ito na, ito na.
To our beloved visitors, parents, classmates, and to my teachers in Jamaica, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Today, recently for me and my classmates, we are about to take another step in our life. We will move on to learn, we will move on to grow, to could ever imagine, and to do ourselves out. Singing, dancing, praying, we will learn to develop our skills and learning. Listening, writing, counting, and reading. After a year, we practice, demonstrated, and almost mastered our skills today. We celebrate and learn today. We will enjoy and be glad welcome everyone. Joy and celebration. Thank you. God bless.